Do this quickly. Move out of my way.
Hurry.
Ain't he cute? Before he melts, before my batteries go.
Take a picture.
I did. I took a couple already.
Yes.
We have to take our snowman. Mommy built it because Lily was too darn lazy.
What?
See, Dad? Look what Mommy built. And Mr. Doggy. Where's Lily?
Hey, it's very slippery out here. So don't come over here. It's too slippery.
This is the one who wanted me to play with her, and she's out here swinging while I'm doing all the work.
I'm sorry. I'll play with you now after you set out the
Sounds like a snowplow.
snowplow. Woo!
It's gotta be warm out here because my hands aren't freezing.
Me neither.
All right, bye.
Bye.